Because students are learning differently today, online learning is an integral part of their school day. It's important that students' online curriculum both instructs and engages them. Teachers need assurance that the digital curriculum flexes to fit with the way they teach and is aligned with standards to meet course requirements. And administrators want to provide options and continuity for everyone from parents to educators. Apex Learning tutorials meet these needs with flexible, standards-aligned English language arts, math, science, social studies, and test readiness curriculum for middle and high school students. Whether tutorials are used on campus or remotely, their flexible modular structure adapts to support the variety of your needs, including needs for remediation and on-grade instruction. Because the needs of students and educators vary, tutorials are organized in flexible modules, so you can use them in the way that works best for you. Addressing students' learning gaps is a common concern. Tutorials includes built-in pretests that find those gaps and provide students with the remediation they need so they're ready to tackle on-grade instruction. In each lesson, the Learn It module delivers standards-based direct instruction that's broken into small segments that engage students and are more easily digested. There's a variety of media, including videos, interactive elements, and reading materials, all there to keep your students involved and learning in different ways. In the Try It, your students can practice what they've learned in a safe, non-scored environment. They'll receive feedback that is specific and instructive, so practice is a learning opportunity. The Review It is a different way to learn the skill or concept. Here, your students watch a short, high-impact video that reinforces the lesson's objectives with a real-world scenario. And with the tested assessments, you gain critical insights into what your students are working on, how they're doing, and how they're performing against your standards. Throughout tutorials, there are lots of supports for language, literacy, and background information needs, so your students won't stall, even when they can't raise their hand for your help. Tutorials enhance lesson plans and personalize instruction for each student. Standards-aligned data helps teachers monitor where each student is in their learning, and administrators have access to reports and dashboards that show your learning across classrooms and schools. With more than 20 years of helping schools and districts, we know what's needed to get you up and running at scale. Our professional services will support your tutorials implementation every step of the way. Tutorials provide standards-based, engaging instruction that is flexible and provides the continuity needed to keep students on track anytime and anywhere school is happening. Contact Apex Learning today to learn how you can get started with tutorials in your district.